Looks like an interesting bundle from Stitch Fix this month. I don't know, let's take a peek and see what Emma sent me. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing and a try on of Stitch Fix. All right, this is my fix number 44. 44 already, how's that happen? My stylist, I did take a peek, I have to say, because I wanted to see who my stylist was, because the items that I received, like I said, I peeked when I got the shipping notification, and I was like, do I have the same stylist? And yes, I still have Emma. So I think she's just trying to try a few different things to see what works and what doesn't, and that's great. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you the items real quick, and then I'll do a try on and give you the information at that time. But as you saw, I have a pair of shoes. Okay, these are kind of interesting, but we'll look at these a little bit closer later on. Let's see what else I have. My daughter would love those shoes, I think. Yeah. And we were the same size. Okay, first item, this is a beautiful color. And it is a racerback, so it's not bra friendly, but it's a beautiful color, and it looks like, oh, it's a mixed media. Is it media? Yeah, for the different materials, not medium, media. Let's just keep going. But I love the color. It looks like it's lined, yes, only in the front. Very pretty. I don't know, I'm pretty excited, even though it's not bra friendly. Prefer bra friendly. What's this one? Okay, that's cute. I like the cutout detail on this. It's like a mustard color. Stretchy. Never know until you try it on. What's this? Gotta love my black. Oh, this looks like, this is cute. I'm guessing this is athletic wear. The racerback in the back. This is really cute. Let's see. Yeah, Mike's home. Is it lined? No. This is cute. I'm anxious to try that on. This is like, this is a knit skirt. It is 95 degrees here today in Virginia and very humid. Oh yeah, this. All right, I think I'm gonna have to read our note and find out why. Maybe it's a summer knit. That's probably what it is. Probably a summer knit, and it looks like it might go with the other tops. So let's just go to the try on. All right, I just want to start off by saying that this is a cute outfit. Put together, it really looks nice. My earrings, these are actually from, I think one of my vinyl boxes. Might be my most recent one. They're so lightweight. I think they go great with this outfit. All right, let's start with this top. This is really cute. It's by Markin & Spruce. It's $54. This is a size small. It's a textured cami is what they call it. I tucked it in, and then I'll pull it out after I show you the skirt. But it's really cute if you like, I mean, I typically like this type of neckline. It's really a cute top. I have a regular bra on. I just tucked the straps in because honestly, I don't have a strapless bra right now that fits. Yeah. The back is really cute. It has a button closure, which I didn't need to undo. I just slid it over my head. But I like when it gives a little bit more of a shoulder look. There's just something about that look that I really like. It's a really cute top. The color is, I think they call it a rose color. Cute top. All right, other than my farmer's tan and my bruises all over me. I've been working around the house. Okay, the skirt is a surprise. Let me tell you, ladies, this skirt, Emma knows me. She sized me up to a large. My hips are expanding with COVID, so That's okay. It fits really nice. This is by Stitches and Stripes. It is $68. The color is a camel. I'm thinking this is just a summer knit, but it's a great length. It fits great. It has the thicker waistband. No slit. Very, very cute. Oh, let me show you the top with it pulled out. So it's a nice length. It's really a cute top. Like I said, it is lined. It's a different material in the back. It's pretty cute. It really is cute. All right, so I don't know, I kind of like it. I have to hear your feedback and then also watch the video back to see what I think about these two items. I showed him Mike and he really liked them, but I have my shoes on. Okay, let me tell you about these. These are by DV, they are DV by DOLCE VITA, and they're $60. These are a size 7. I tried them on. They are so flat that when I try to bend my foot, it does not work for me. I need an arch in a shoe. This looks like it has a little bit of an arch, but because this bottom part is so flat, I can't wear them. I can't wear flats. Just one step and my foot started hurting, so I can't show them to you on. But they're really cute. They're, I don't know what this is. It's not, it doesn't feel like leather. What else can I tell you about them? Oh, to put them on, it has the Velcro strap, and I tried to take it all the way out, but it gets stopped right here. You probably could if you just force it, but I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to try them to see how they would fit. Yeah, that's Mike. To see how they would fit. I mean, they're really, really cute, but it's just, I just can't wear them. Here's the sole. Yeah, just too flat. Too flat. So these are definitely going to be a no. So let's try something else on. Okay, this top is by Market and Spruce. It's $34. I am wearing a size small. This is the color mustard, and you had a little peek at the back, which actually I had this on backwards. I had the detail from the back in the front, and I'm like, oh, that's not right. So I switched it around. I looked at the tag. This is the way it's supposed to be worn. The other way just did not work. This is my necklace. This is from Charming Charlie's. It's probably about 3 or 4 years old. Let's see, what can I tell you about this top? Okay. I like it. I wanted to love it because I'm so excited about the detail in the back, but it's not bra friendly. Look. That's not gonna work. I don't wanna wear a strapless bra with this type of shirt. And it is, I'm not sure if it's coming through on the camera, but it's very wrinkled. I haven't looked at the material. I'll need to see what it is. Very stretchy, very wrinkly, which kind of surprises me. Yeah, it's a very wrinkly material. I mean, it's very cute. I love, love, love the detail on it, but, oh shoot. Yeah, not bra friendly. So I know this is definitely gonna be a no. All right, one more top. Okay, I just left my skirt on. I just wanted to show this top to you real quick. This is really nice. It is a piece jersey tank. It's a size small, $30. I know it's kind of hard to tell black on black, but this is the length of it. And you would wear a sports bra underneath this. I tucked my straps down. I want to show you the back is really cute. I need to start wearing this when I walk so I get rid of this farmer's tan. This is really nice. I mean, it's a thinner material. Not sure if you can kind of tell on camera, but this is a really nice shirt to go out and walk. It's a shame it's black, but you know, what are you gonna do? Let's just do a quick wrap up. You know I'm not gonna keep the shoes. These are going back. They're really cute. The mustard top, I would really like to keep this. I love the detail on it. It's something different, but it's not bra friendly, so it's going back. Love this top, not bra friendly. It's a little fancier than what I would reach for to wear during the day. So no, this is going back. I really am surprised by this skirt. I do like the skirt, but I don't have anywhere to wear it. We don't go anywhere to dress up like this right now. And maybe once things get back to normal, I mean, they're getting there, they're just not there. Maybe this is something that I would wear, but for right now, no. Okay, I was gonna keep this, but I decided against it because I have other clothes that I can wear right now. I'm looking for the wow pieces. As much as I like it, it's not like something like, oh my gosh. Maybe if it was in a different color other than black, then I would have kept it. But I'm not gonna keep that. And you know what? I'm gonna show you guys my closet. Yeah, okay. Be nice. I'm gonna show you my closet just to give you kind of a quick little tour of why I'm very picky with the clothes that I keep. I am only looking for the items that really excite me because I don't have any room for too much more. I am getting ready to purge, but let's go upstairs. I'm gonna show you real quick. Okay, so here we go. Let's see, let me open the doors. Let me flip this around. Okay, here is kind of the center of it. And then there's a section to the left and to the right. So this closet has 4 sliders, doors, 2 on each side. All right, the way I have this organized is on the left is more of the long sleeve, the jackets, kind of like the fancier jackets, go out to dinner or somewhere, long sleeve shirts and blouses. And these are my athletic jackets that I wear a lot in the winter and in the fall. And then down below, I have the short sleeve tops for the summer, kind of sort them by color a little bit. Then I have the shelves with jean shorts. Those are different sizes, so I only wear about 3 pair right now. And then I have here, these are skirts, summer pants, and then some jeans down here. And then in these boxes down here, I got those at Target. I keep my purses in there. And then over here on the top shelf, I have on the top, those are all sweaters. This is white sweaters, more sweaters dark, sweaters there, sweaters. These are t-shirts. This is normally the pile that I grab when I first get out of the shower. I'll just grab one of those to wear until I decide what I want to wear for the day, why I'm finishing getting ready. And then these are basically kind of the same thing. These are a little nicer tops, just my white shirts that I'll put on. And then over here are, this hasn't been touched in a while, dresses and the longer sweaters. And then I have some drawers, deeper drawers there. And then I have these skinny ones that I really like this one. I have sleeveless items in there. And just a few things up here on the shelf. And then the shoes. Here, I don't have a lot, as you can see. I mean, I wear the same thing. Oh, it needs dusted. So these pull out. And that's all I have. You know, I have more of the summer ones there. These, when I pulled them out, I had the shoes that I wore. These fall back. The ones I had on will go right there. And then I have some shoes in some boxes that don't get worn very often. So yeah, that's it. That's the space I have. I probably have more space than a lot of people, so I can't complain. But it's, you know, I need to purge, and I will be purging. I'm kind of trying to debate if I want to do Poshmark again. I might, because I have a guest closet that has, well, let's go up there. I'll show you what's up there. Okay, this is the guest room closet. So I have bought these 2 shirts at Walmart a while ago. They are too small, never took them back. And then I have all these sitting here that I need to do something with.